Here, this will be a video chart on CERP. We're going to take a look at the daily time frame. We've done this one once before, and I'm going to do kind of a I told you so, but I'm not patting myself on the back. I'm just patting technical analysis and charting on the back. I know some people don't buy into it, but CERP shows and is a great real-time example of how if you know what you're looking at, charting really does work. So, and again, I'm not patting myself on the back. I'm just pointing out, if you know how to read a chart, then charting can really do and be a valuable tool. So all these lines you see here are from the last time I did it. If you don't believe me, just go back and look through our video archives and watch the last video we did. And the key one that I want to point out, well, I'll talk with both of them. This one at the time of the video was just an ideal level of support. I mean, ideally, this would be the level that you'd like to see hold. Didn't hold, and then as expected, the price fell right down to this level. And I talked about how this level, right around the .00, or excuse me, .01. Actually, that's right in the way I can't even tell what that is. Let's see. Let's try that again. 0.0195, right around that level would be an important level of support. And sure enough, if I extend that out some more, whoops, let's try that again. There we go. If I extend that out, you can see that price came down here and basically 3 days in a row bounced right around this level, and now we're seeing the result of that, held up right along this area of support and are now bouncing high. So chartists and so forth that saw this and recognized it, I'm sure we're accumulating some shares down here, and now they're smiling ear to ear. So just a nice little example of supports and how if you know how to read a chart, they can really help you forecast some potential nice entries. So on that note, this level remains a key level of support, but we do have a new level of support that has entered into the equation, and that's simply this resistance up here that we had previously talked about. This is at .04. So .04 is the newest level of support for the chart. I'm going to change that line to skinny because while it is the level of support, if the price can't hold above it, by no means does that mean the chart's toast or you should panic or anything like that, but it is still technically a level of support. And then you have your moving averages down here, that blue line being the 10-day simple moving average and this gray line being the 20-day simple moving average as other levels of support. Now for the fun stuff, resistances. The key level of resistance, and you can see it basically closed right at it, is this purple line, which is the 50-day simple moving average. That's going to be the kind of Mac Daddy resistance level right now that you want to stay focused on. And then after that, could be a minor speed bump up here. I personally think that with another strong volume day like this, this previous high over here at .045 isn't going to put up much of a fight, so I'm going to leave that line a skinny red one. And then after .045, the next level that's sticking out is here. We'll call it the .054, 055, whatever you want to call it. And that's simply coming, if you look here, you can see there's quite a bit of price history right around here where the price tried to get above it multiple days in a row but could not. So that'll be the next key level of resistance that you'll want to see the price start to close above. So all in all, great looking chart. You could put this one in a textbook in terms of how when you see a breakout, you want to see it pull back, build a new high, which it obviously did, and then start to head back upwards. Not to mention on that nice increase in volume. So looking good from all angles. If there are any other questions though on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for our newsletter over here, and as you see, when you do that, you'll get a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and technical analysis like I talked about, I'd encourage you to check out our video course down below the social media. Over 8.5 hours of video and education. So if you're looking to add a new trading tool to your tool belt, I'd encourage you to check out that course, give it a try, and read those third-party reviews. One more time, this was CERP. Thanks for listening, and have a good one.